In this video, we listed the 5 best compact treadmills that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Lifepro Smallest Treadmill. The Lifepro Pacer Mini Treadmill is a compact and versatile exercise solution designed for small spaces like home or office environments. Weighing 40 pounds and made of stainless steel, it features dimensions of 32 inches in diameter, 25 inches in width, and 7 inches in height. This treadmill supports speeds from 0.5 to 3 miles per hour, catering to users of various fitness levels, and includes a 2-stage adjustable incline, 7 and 5 degrees, for enhanced workout intensity. Its special features include a compact design for easy storage and mobility, making it convenient for under-desk use. Ideal for adults looking to boost metabolism and engage in regular physical activity, it offers a straightforward way to burn calories and support cardiovascular health with its customizable speed settings and easy-to-read display. Number 2. REDLIRO Under-Desk Treadmill. The REDLIRO Under-Desk Treadmill is a compact and versatile exercise solution designed primarily for indoor use. Made from alloy steel and weighing 57 pounds, it features dimensions of 52 inches in depth, 25 inches in width, and 42 inches in height. The treadmill operates at a maximum speed of 7.5 miles per hour and is notable for its quiet, high-power 2.25 HP motor and shock-absorbent running belt, which minimizes noise and enhances stability. It boasts a 2-in-1 design that allows it to function as both a traditional treadmill with a handrail for jogging and running, and as an under-desk treadmill when the handrail is folded, facilitating walking or jogging while working. This portable model is further characterized by its foldable and wheeled design, making it easy to store and move. It includes 12 preset programs and manual modes accessible via remote control, and its multifunction LED display provides real-time data on time, calories, steps, speed, and distance. Targeted primarily at a youthful audience, the REDLIRO treadmill combines convenience, functionality, and space-saving features suitable for diverse indoor environments. Number 3. NordicTrack T-Series Treadmills. The NordicTrack treadmill is a robust fitness machine designed for adult users, featuring dimensions of 68.3 inches in depth, 30.5 inches in width, and 48.67 inches in height, with a weight of 140 pounds. Constructed from alloy steel, it offers a maximum speed of 10 miles per hour and includes special features such as built-in speakers, Bluetooth connectivity, auto incline adjustment, and a compact design for versatile use in both walking and running exercises. The treadmill is IFIT-enabled, allowing users to connect their smartphones or tablets via Bluetooth to access IFIT's extensive library of global outdoor workouts and adjust resistance levels hands-free. Additionally, it comes with a 30-day trial membership to IFIT for new users to explore its features. Number 4. UMAY 512 Walking Pad. The UMAY P1 White Treadmill is a compact and lightweight fitness solution designed for both adults and youth. With dimensions of 51.6 inch dx 19.7, wx 4.2, h and weighing only 40 pounds, it can easily fit into any living space. The treadmill is made of acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS, material and has a maximum speed of 4 miles per hour, making it suitable for walking, jogging, and running. Its special features include a compact design, a whisper-quiet 3,500 hours brushless motor, and a long-lasting turf stripes belt for enhanced safety. The treadmill's unique grass-textured surface and 7-layer anti-slip design ensure a stable and durable workout experience. Overall, the UMAY P1 White Treadmill offers a space-saving, quiet, and safe fitness solution for users of all ages. Number 5. THERUN Walking Pad Treadmill. The THERUN Walking Pad is a portable and lightweight treadmill designed for all audiences. It features a 2.5 horsepower motor, with a maximum speed of 3.8 miles per hour, and a sturdy alloy steel construction. The 2-in-1 design allows it to be used as an under-desk treadmill or a walking pad, with a speed range of 0.6 to 3.8 miles per hour. The longer running belt with shock absorption and multifunction display make it a comfortable and convenient choice for home or office use. Additionally, their compact and portable design with front transport wheels makes it easy to store and use anywhere, without the need for assembly.